Here's the install of the black kidney grills I'm doing on my BMW M235i. So all the clamps, you'll hear all the clamps click in, and then it'll everything should sit flush.
Alright, go get it. Here's the other one.
I got these from IND distributors. They do really good paint work. All these parts are OEM, fit perfectly.
Put it in there?
Yep. So that's the look of it. The black, gloss black grills. Here's what the original look like. I think it looks a lot better. All gloss black. Just get rid of the chrome. And then from here, you would get all these screws, and then first you would put these clamps back in on all these spots.
There you go. There you go. Ain't nothing easy on BMW.
There you go. Once you slide the front bumper back into place, then you line up to where these screws go. Just get them snug, and then you can tighten them once you get all of them in. Hey Pete, Gizmo, come on. Yeah, I got it. And then you can go in and snug all of them up. Make sure they're all snug, and then you You get this weather stripping. Find where it lines up. And then once the weather stripping's back on, and then you're done. Just watch out. And that's the gloss black look on the M235i.